Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young boy named Jake. Jake had big dreams, and his biggest dream was to become a professional marathon runner. However, he faced numerous challenges that seemed insurmountable. Jake lived in a humble home with his single mother, who worked long hours to make ends meet. They didn't have much, but Jake's determination was boundless. He spent his free time running through the fields, practicing and pushing himself harder each day. As he got older, Jake faced even more obstacles. His shoes were old and worn, and he couldn't afford proper training or a coach. But he didn't let that deter him. He decided to create his own path to success. Jake began waking up at dawn to run before school. He borrowed books from the library about running techniques and nutrition. He started a small side hustle mowing lawns to save money for better shoes. His dedication was unwavering, and his passion burned brighter with each passing day. Years flew by, and Jake's hard work paid off. He qualified for the regional marathon, competing against athletes with better resources and support. On the day of the race, his heart raced with excitement and nervousness. As the marathon began, Jake kept a steady pace, focusing on his breathing and the rhythm of his steps. He passed runner after runner, surprising everyone, including himself. Mile after mile, he pushed through the pain and exhaustion. The finish line was in sight. With one final burst of energy, Jake sprinted towards the finish line and crossed it with tears of joy in his eyes. He had done it. He had not only completed the marathon but had won it, beating all odds. Jake's story spread like wildfire, inspiring others in his town and beyond. He became a symbol of determination, showing that with hard work, passion, and unwavering belief in oneself, dreams could come true. Years later, Jake fulfilled his ultimate dream of becoming a professional marathon runner. He traveled the world, breaking records and inspiring countless others to chase their dreams. His journey proved that no obstacle is too great and no dream is too big when you have the courage to pursue it. So, remember Jake's story whenever you face challenges in your own life. No matter where you start or what obstacles you encounter, with dedication and belief in yourself, you can turn your dreams into reality and cross your own finish line of success.